Bob Markley, Executive Vice President at ADDMAN Engineering. So there's a lot of myths that have developed over the years with metal additive in particular. And one of the other myths is that additive is a standalone process. Additive is an enabler to all the other processes, and all the other processes are an enabler to additive. Almost every part that we produce at ADDMAN goes through some sort of CNC process to meet final tolerance or surface finish tolerance.